Hello, everybody, and welcome to my channel. Please excuse my voice. I have a cold. Today, we're going to talk about the 1010 Gateway. Today is the 10th month of the 10th day, and it's a gateway that you'll be excited about. It is the starting gate. In numerology, 1 represents new beginnings and fresh starts and a new cycle. So you want to cleanse yourself of all negativity. You want to release all that's negative, and you want to believe for new beginnings and set your intentions for this new moon to have a fresh start, new beginnings, a new chapter in your life. This is exciting times and it will benefit you greatly. 0 represents the alpha omega, the death birth cycle, and our interconnectedness with the divine, all that's divine, God, the universe, Jesus, all things that make up the divine order, the archangels, all of it. It represents a death in your past, as in the old, get rid of it and clean it out, and just know that you're connected to everything that's divine and that your life is going forward into a new chapter, a new day, a new beginning. And again, set your intentions, set what you want for your life. Right now is a great time to do that. When we enter the 1010 gateway, we are accelerating. We are going at a rapid speed in our transformation of our physical, emotional, and mental capabilities. We want to recognize this. This may bring tension in some areas of your life, but let it flow. Let what comes, comes. What goes, goes. Set yourself, ground yourself, and be okay with what happens. Just be gentle with yourself. Take care of yourself. Do something good for yourself while we're going through this. All of this will be felt at a cellular level. The crystalline light permeates every fiber of our being. We want to make sure, again, that we're taking care of ourselves. We may feel out of sorts or anxiety, and that's okay. We want to let these energies in and just welcome them. We want our new beginnings. We want a new start. Maybe it's a career. Maybe it's in your family life. Maybe it's in your finances. What types of changes are you wanting in your life? Now's a good time to do your script writing, your journaling, and write down what you really want. For releasing, a good way to do that is write out all the negatives in your life, or as you see them negative. Write them all out and release them. Either burn it or put it in water, or do it verbally. You just release it to the universe. Release all that tension, all the negativity, and welcome in all the new, the positivity, the new beginnings, and all that's good and divine. With that, I'm going to leave you with this short video. I wish you all love and light and everything that's good. God bless you, and may all your dreams come true. This is truly a good time to make the changes you want to make. Expect miracles. Expect changes in your lives. This is an awesome time to be alive, and it will last all year long, the rest of the year. So look forward to the future. If you're going through a negative time at the moment, just know this too shall pass. It's okay. Hug yourself. Get a hug from your loved ones. Whatever you need to do to set yourself in a place of feeling good. Listen to some music. Listen to some comedy or something that uplifts your spirit. And know that everything is working out for your good. God has your back. The universe has your back. So, with that, I say love and light to all. God bless you all and have an amazing day. Bye for now.